The semiconductor industry is at a pivotal moment, with three giants, TSMC, Samsung, and Intel, battling for supremacy. Let's dive into the latest market share data and see who's leading this high-stakes race. Starting with TSMC, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, they currently hold the crown with an impressive market share of around 54%. This dominance is largely due to their cutting-edge technology and ability to produce chips at an unprecedented scale. TSMC has established itself as the go-to foundry for major tech players, including Apple and Nvidia, who rely on TSMC's advanced 5-nanometer process technology. This not only allows for faster chips but also enhances energy efficiency, a crucial factor in today's tech landscape. Now let's shift our focus to Samsung. With a market share of approximately 18%, Samsung is not far behind. Their strategy has been to integrate memory and logic chips, creating a unique value proposition. Samsung's investment in 3-nanometer technology is a game changer, positioning them to compete aggressively with TSMC. Their recent partnerships with companies like Qualcomm highlight their commitment to innovation and collaboration, ensuring they remain a formidable player in the semiconductor arena. Intel, once the undisputed leader, now holds about 10% of the market share. The company has faced significant challenges, including delays in their manufacturing processes and fierce competition from TSMC and Samsung. However, Intel is not backing down. Their recent restructuring and investment in new fabrication plants signal a renewed focus on regaining market share. The launch of their 7-nanometer chips is a critical step in this journey, aiming to restore their reputation as a technology leader. The semiconductor race is not just about numbers, it's about innovation and strategic positioning. TSMC's ability to scale production, Samsung's integration of diverse technologies, and Intel's commitment to revitalization all play crucial roles in shaping the future of this industry. As we look ahead, the competition will only intensify. The demand for semiconductors is skyrocketing, driven by advancements in AI, IoT, and 5G technologies. Companies that can innovate and adapt will thrive, while those that lag behind risk being left in the dust. For innovators and entrepreneurs looking to capitalize on these trends, understanding the semiconductor landscape is vital. If you're developing new technologies or products, protecting your intellectual property is essential. Visit patentpc.com to speak with expert patent attorneys at Patent PC Law Firm and discover how to monetize innovations today.